Welcome back to the channel. If you are trading on Deriv, you know that emotion and timing are the biggest challenges to staying profitable. Today, I'm going to show you a game changer. We are looking at PivotCore.net, an advanced auto trading platform specifically designed for the Deriv ecosystem. This isn't just another bot, it's a professional tool that automates your logic so you can trade 24/7 without being glued to your screen. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, PivotCore takes the guesswork out of the market. Let's dive into the platform. PivotCore.net offers a seamless interface that connects directly to your Deriv account. The setup is fast, secure, and incredibly intuitive. One of the best things about using an automated platform like this is the speed of execution. In the world of synthetic indices and digit trading, a fraction of a second can be the difference between a win and a loss. With PivotCore, your trades are executed instantly based on the parameters you set. No lag, no hesitation, just pure strategy. In today's session, I'm demonstrating the 4 over 5 under strategy. This is a popular approach for those who want a balanced risk to reward ratio. My goal for this session is clear. We are going to run 10 trades and our target is to win 5 out of those 10. By setting these specific boundaries, we maintain discipline. PivotCore allows you to customize these digit settings perfectly. You'll see how the bot analyzes the tick patterns to identify the right moment to enter. We aren't chasing the market. We are letting the automation follow a proven plan. As you watch these trades go through, notice how the platform handles the money management. Trading is a marathon, not a sprint. By using PivotCore, I can set my stake and my stop losses to ensure my capital is always protected. Even when we hit a loss, the bot stays calm and continues the plan. That is the beauty of auto trading. It removes the fear and the greed that usually lead to mistakes. We're halfway through our 10 trades now, and you can see the consistency that this platform provides. We've reached our goal. 10 trades done, and we hit our target. This session is proof that with the right tools and a solid plan, trading on Deriv becomes much more manageable. If you want to take your trading to the next level and stop manual trading stress, I highly recommend checking out